Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the issue of prior criminal record and processing an application for a Thai visa. The fact of the matter is, yes, criminal history is oftentimes part of the process of dealing with getting a Thai visa. Now, depending on your circumstances, this may or may not pose a problem with regard to actually getting a visa. It's going to depend on the nature of the underlying criminal act in question. Oftentimes it may depend on the duration between the time that the incident occurred and whenever one is seeking a visa to Thailand. Meanwhile, the entire process associated with visas to Thailand differs depending on the visa category. For example, those who are dealing with the Thailand Elite visa are well aware of the police background check protocols for that. OA retirement visas sought abroad are very well aware, folks that are seeking an OA retirement visa abroad are very well aware of background checks associated with that. For example, in the United States, FBI background checks are oftentimes associated with getting those visas. Now that said, there may be other categories out there which, depending on the underlying nature of your situation as well as the prior criminal history, may or may not be an option out there for those who are looking to get a visa to Thailand. Long story short is, look, prior criminal history has a tremendous impact on visa processing through the Thai system. There may be options for those with a prior criminal history, but they need to go ahead and look at their, somebody like myself needs to go ahead and look at their situation, ascertain what their prior history was, and whether or not they're going to be able to then interact in any way with the immigration system here in Thailand, be that getting a visa, maintaining lawful status on a long-term basis, whatever. The nature of the underlying prior criminal acts will drive the analysis associated with whether or not it's going to be possible to get that visa and maintain that status here in the kingdom. Now, with that in mind, please understand, those with a prior criminal history, some folks may find some options for themselves. Again, depending on the nature of the prior incident, the prior history, some folks may not find options for being able to come here to Thailand. Those who feel a little bit confused or overwhelmed by all of this, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.